cutting price an effective way to create affordability? Housing affordability has declined significantly this year and is at its lowest level in over 30 years. Fast rising mortgage rates combined with home price increases have squeezed out a large number of buyers, cooling demand and slowing sales. Now, when the market slows, many sellers look to cut price as a way to stimulate demand and create affordability. But is cutting price truly the best way to create affordability for your buyers? In my experience, the answer is no. While a deep price cut can stimulate showings and sales, in general, price cuts create other problems such as appraisal comps, existing homeowner dissatisfaction, struggles pricing future phases, and oh, by the way, buyers will still ask for concessions. With financing, you can create the house payment of a home costing thousands less that dollar for dollar is 4 times as effective as any price cut. In addition, you will create affordability for your buyers, lower qualification hurdles, and increased purchasing power. This is the power of financing. So let's look at an example using a 20% down buyer. This will keep things simple by eliminating mortgage insurance and focusing solely on the monthly principal and interest payment, which is the largest part of the monthly housing payment that people make. So let's say your home is listed for $620,000 and the current mortgage rate right now for a 30-year fixed is 6.125. For a 20% down buyer, their monthly principal and interest payment would be $3,014. But let's say due to slow sales, you decide to cut the price to $599 to hit a lower price point, make it more appealing, and also more affordable for your buyers. How much does the monthly principal and interest payment change with a $21,000 price cut? Under this scenario, the monthly principal and interest payment falls to $2,912, saving your buyers $102 a month. You cut the price approximately 3.4%, and the payment declines or went down approximately 3.4%. But let's look at a different way to potentially do this. What if we keep the price the same, but apply the $21,000 towards financing? How much would this lower the payment? In this scenario, we keep the original price of $620 and 20% down payment and apply the $21,000 towards a permanent rate buydown. The net result is a 4.74% mortgage rate, which would give your buyers a monthly principal and interest payment of $2,584, saving them a whopping $430 a month. Think about the difference right there. Your buyer's monthly payment decreased 14.3%. Dollar for dollar, financing created 4 times the payment savings that the price cut did. And this is the best part about doing financing incentives. Financing incentives are netted out of sales proceeds, so your cost is tied to your revenue. And what's the most important benefit of this promotion? You just created the same house payment as a home costing $88,000 less. Yes, you heard me correctly. Your $21,000 financing incentive is the same as cutting the price over $88,000. To learn more about creating effective financing promotions, about buyer preferences and strategies for your market, feel free to connect with me here.